Relative atomic mass scale. The masses of atoms are very small and difficult to comprehend. To overcome this problem, scientists use a relative atomic mass scale. On this scale, the atoms of all elements are compared relative to one another. The atom used as a standard for this scale is the isotope of carbon, carbon-12. This atom is given a mass of 12 atomic mass units exactly, and the masses of all other atoms are compared to it. The relative atomic mass of helium is 4. This means an atom of carbon has about 3 times the mass of an atom of helium. The atoms of all other elements can be compared to carbon in this way. The relative atomic masses of some common elements are given in the table above. The table can be used to calculate the relative formula mass, Mr, of any compound.